flash is to one guy with flash browser. You had
Welcome to Ocho TV Sports Channel, the platform which is specialized in providing the sports content all around the world. And here now is Norway national team squad, and now it's a squad which is occupied with a number of professional players, including Erling Haaland. Of course, there is also here Martin Odegaard. These two players are the key players of the national team, the Norway national team, and they are training now. Led, of course, they are preparing for the game against Croatia today. And in fact, as you have just was watching this training session, and it seems like each and everybody, everybody is ready to play against Croatia, which is believed to be one among of the great match, one among of the great team in the world. And here, Erling Haaland now has become the all-time, has become the top scorer in these